I gotta fit that. And that. And that. Into that. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of a daunting task right now.
You and me, babe. You and me, babe. It's just nothing else like you. We ready to go?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the spoils of my labor thus far. Woohoo! And of course, over here, got this, and over here, still got that. It's time to take this party outside. Wish me luck. Well, I did it. I got it all in. I'm tired. I'm sweaty. I seriously need a chiropractor. And I just realized something. Tim and I will be staying for 3 or 4 days. And there aren't any clothes in the car. Oops. We are finally getting out of town. We have not left town yet. We are getting some food to go because food is important. We must have food. But I thought I would show you how much room is left in the car. I did get clothes in there. We do have clothes in the car. I have things at my feet. And I just really hope people are buying in Abilene because I don't want to have to do that again.
a sea of people just looking for you. And now it's finally here. I can't believe that it's true, 'cause this is different, yeah, so different. This is different than all the rest. This is different. Never loved like this. Is different than any other love I've seen. This is different between you and me. This is different. Don't have to wonder if you're gonna treat me right. I don't have to wish for you to come and hold me tight. Don't have to wonder if I'll see you in the morning light.